Alright guys, Moab wasn't so bad, but that random trail that Ben and I found in Socorro, New Mexico, man, that was brutal. It was fun, but it was brutal. But it did let me know that I needed some armor. So, got all this stuff from MetalCloak, and I'll let you know how it turns out, but I can't imagine I'll be disappointed. I mean, look at how solid that is. Of course it's heavy, but a little bit of extra weight's a lot better than trying to replace a differential or oil or what have you. And also on the same trail, I spent the majority of the time with only 3 wheels on the ground. So MetalCloak makes these great, they're manual, but makes these great sway bar disconnects. And I mean, just solid as it could be. That is a piece of art right there. So can't wait to try these out, and gonna get the stuff on soon. Cheers.